Studies.
I am Kim.
I'm Jania.
I'm Jeannie. I'm Jeannie.
I'm Jope.
I'm Shaira. I'm Nyame.
I'm Shane.
I'm Jaylee.
I'm Bibi Jane.
I am Yana.
I'm Angel.
And
We are going to memorize and practice our script.
Alright ba?
Sige, ginahan. Ako.
Tumay mo!
Sige tayo Pamina mo ba? Sige tayo istorya tayo sa The Power of
1,
Education.
2, 3, go.
The power of education.
Education is the key to success. Today, we will see how different students face challenges and how learning can change their future.
Good morning, class. Today, we will talk about why education is important.
Education helps us achieve our dreams.
I don't need to study. I can just play games all day.
Yeah, studying is boring. Who cares about school?
Remember, knowledge gives you power to choose a better life.
Sige, student number 3. Student number 3.
Opo, I have money, so I don't need to study.
Student number 4.
I may be poor, but I know education is my ticket to success.
Wow.
Don't give up. Even if life is hard, education can help us.
Student number 7.
Ikaw.
Ako?
Si Bibi Jean.
Ikaw, Bibi Jun. 7.
I want to be.
I want to be a doctor someday. I want to be a doctor someday. That's why I'm studying hard.
Sige na.
Sige. Ano mo ba?
Sige na.
Sige. I want to be.
Yeah, I want to be a doctor someday.
Dili na, uy,
Someday. That's why I'm studying hard. Sige, pag-gawin.
Student A, si Jaylee.
Me, I want to be a comedian, but still I need to study.
Sige.
Son, I work hard so you can go to school. Don't waste the opportunity.
Education is the greatest gift we can give you.
Student 2.
Education is the greatest gift
Dapat-
we can give you.
I understand now. I should use my strength to help others, not put them down.
Education is not just about grades. It shapes our values, dreams, and future.
Most students.
Education is the key to success.
And so, they learn that no matter who you are, rich or poor, shy or loud, education is the light that guides us to a brighter future. Pero today, balik na practice. Dapat kuan mo nga, unsa mo nga student do.
Why basa niyo kaneba student too lazy. Why ni basa?
Meron yung nabasa.
Balik. Hoy, na nagsuot na ko diri ang si
Kuha na mo ninyo guys. Kung saan mga
unsa mo nga student tayo naman.
Sige, balik.
Writers. Dapat di wala na magunang-unong nga.
Power of education din. 1, 2, 3, go. The power of education.
Education is the key to success. Today, we will see how different students face challenges and how learning can change their future. Sige.
Good morning, class. Today, we will talk about why education is important.
Education helps us achieve our dreams.
I don't need to study. Just play games all day.
Yeah, studying is boring. Who cares about school?
Remember, knowledge gives you power to choose a better life.
I have money, so I don't need to study.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. We are the Self-Studies and we are going to introduce ourselves first.
My name is Yara.
My name is Yana.
My name is Yashni.
My name is Lawrence.
My name is Samantha.
My name is Jada.
My name is Arjun.
My name is Atana.
And we are having a spelling oral.
Yana, spell substance.
S D
Sub.
ay sub A-B, substance. S-U-B-S-T, substance. A-S. Magani. T-A-S.
Sama naman na mag-away mo na. Spell. Ibalik to distract.
D-I-S-T-R-A-C-T.
Mana?
Ay,
Mana? Like last. Okay. Distract.
D-I-S-T-A-R.
Bali ang A.
Ay, R-A-C.
Mana?
C.
Okay ba? Spell. Ito, substance.
S-U-B-S-T-A-N-C-E.
Bayot. Katawaan mo yung distract. Spell distraction.
D-I-S-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N.
Perfect. Spell bayot. Ay. Man. Danger.
D-A-N-G-E-R. Ano ko to?
Mana? Spell applicant.
A-P-P-L-I-C-A-N-T.
Perfect. Spell distinguish. Tawa ka na? Distinguish.
D-I-S-T-I-N-G-U-I-S-H.
So perfect! Wala. Spell circumstance. Tawa ka na? Circumstance.
C-E-R C-I-R-C-U-M-E
Circumstance. Isawat may para ako. Ano?
C-I-R-C-U-E-M
Ayun, dito. Sakit mo
Wala
siya.
Mapitan na akong gingon ganina kay.
Dili, batangan man mag-i. Wala i. Balik. 1, 2, 3, go.
S-I-R
C. Alek, 1, 2, 3, go.
C-I-R-C-U-M-E-T-A-N-C
Stance. Circum. Sakto lang, circum. Yung stance na lang.
Stance na S
Murag this para, substance.
S-T-A-N-C-E
Balik ka, i-complete.
C-I-R-C-U-M-E
Wala lagi A sa sunod sa M. Balik. Wala A sunod sa M. Ano to? C-I-R-C-U-M. Na stance. Wala A.
S-T-A-N sige mo
Nakay A, giingon.
ay
Balik.
natin ko
1, 2, 3, go.
C-I-R-C-U-M-S-T-A-N-C-E
Hala, na perfect na rin ka.